We totally have some must-dos when we go camping.
Every morning has to start with coffee.
It's gonna be a good day, and everything is going to go my way. It's gonna be a good day.
Good morning. We're at Good morning. We are at Lake Hartwell State Park in South Carolina. We're doing a little camping with the rescue wagon and some friends. Got my coffee. It's a beautiful morning. Enjoying the birds singing. I'm ready for a very wonderful day. So the first thing we do is make a run to a very special place. Guess where we're headed? It really doesn't matter if you're camping for a weekend or if you're camping for a week.
Or a month.
Doesn't matter. Guess where we're headed? Walmart. We're headed to make the camping trip to Walmart. Doesn't matter what trip you're on, how long you're going to be gone for, you're going to Walmart. You're going to find the Walmart, even if it's 37 miles away. Paddleboarding is our newest must-do when we go camping. So today we're going paddleboarding on Lake Hartwell. And Lake Hartwell, this lake is absolutely beautiful. Paddleboarding is so much fun. We have this great little cove right near our campsite. Now, watch for the fun facts though, because there is something creepy in the fun facts. You got the skateboard pose.
Oh! Oh!
Rewind.
We're not laughing at him, we're laughing with him.
I'm not sure that was very convincing. I think it might seem like we're laughing at him. So the Smiths had a blow-up kayak, and I'm just gonna suggest that you don't get a blow-up kayak because they spent more time going up and down, and around in a circle, and then the kayak spent the rest of the time on the beach. I don't know why it's creepy to me, but like stuff under the lake, I don't know, just creeps me out. Of course, dancing is a must-do. Dun, dun, dun.
Yes.
Here, my dear. We're getting it on here at Camp 101.
Everything when you're camping is 100% tastier when you're at a campsite.
The habanero. That's spicy and that's mild.
Occasionally we might go overboard just a little bit, but I'm not gonna lie, we do love food.
Who puts the toilet paper in the freezer? I'll be there.
Okay, I know it. And we have some very creative art projects.
Some people eat tacos. I create art and then I eat it. Yummy, yummy.
You have to have a campfire for sure, even if you do forget the wood and have to scrounge. So what is the most important must-do with camping? For us, it is hands down friends and family. Our friends and family make our camping experiences the best that they can be. And that, friends, is how we camp.
All right, we had a great time here at Lake Hartwell State Park in South Carolina. Had good friends, fun, food, and all the good stuff that you would expect, and great campground. So we give it definitely a thumbs up. And you know, this is how we be free.